See it? I'm doing it, everything, you know.
So hot. We are sheltered the cabbage leaf.
Look there. Don't take you out, don't. Hold on.
Yeah, man, one bag of cabbage. You can come and ground and not carry one food. You're crazy. Yes, my people. Welcome to the hills. Donkey and in load. Watch ya.
Top for your paws.
You see, donkey well, where I call you know, well
Train.
covered.
Well trained.
See, donkey will stop your pass.
Now walking on the glare road, you know.
Yeah, man, you see donkey are holding bank side with people. Well trained, you know, guys. Watch out, look at that. And donkey are no disobedient, you know.
Donkey at the hills. Traditional time.
Alright, my people. No, yes, my people, welcome back to another adventure, guys. So today, me there in the hills of 9 Mile, birthplace of the legend himself, Robert Nesta Marley / Bob Marley. Also, the hills of wife, you know, I'm there with my son. Remember me telling you, me I teach him to be rough. And zero, there with zero.
One badness, man, no go.
So yeah, my people, we are head up in the hills and we want to go reap some cabbage today. You know? Yeah, man, as me showing you donkey have to bring out the load. Yeah, cause the vehicle only can drive go halfway, my people, and then after we have to go foot the rest of the journey. So we are bring the donkey so he can bring out the load come near where drive every. I'm not going to see the whole happenings with people, so yeah, what I want to do the stick and stay. You know? So yeah, my people, and also I go up wifey, dad farm. Cause more experience what it is like reaping cabbage, pull it out from in the jungle, bring it to
Real
the,
bush life.
you know, real bush life.
Places
You know?
like these are where food come from going to the city. We go on your table from our farm. Our foreparents, our mother and father farm. So that's where we're going, that's where I'm taking Odin. That's what I used to do. We used to run behind the donkey and the donkey carry the load. So I'm going to go experience that for the first. And him also say I'm going to ride the donkey. So.
Well, but I realize the donkey amp up we, you know, amp up riding with him, amp up we bring load, so
Him amp up. Yeah. Do you know how a donkey amp up?
Yeah.
You can ride it.
Well, I go try and see if I can ride him, my people, you know? Yeah, but me not promise bonus thing. You can look out for that.
Who want them ride the donkey? Say, ride the donkey.
Yeah, man, if you don't want to see me ride the donkey, comment, ride the donkey.
And me too.
You too?
And my son want to ride the donkey
I know
too.
you would want to.
So yes, my people, we just go. We are waiting for the donkey. I don't know we pass him. Well, him almost reach.
Him reach.
Him reach.
Come.
I come, so.
Yeah, but check out
You
the
know,
farming
no
life,
again.
guys, isn't it? I make him like that. Yes, that's one.
That's my father with his donkey.
Up the hill we go. faithful Ginny.
I just have to take care of them and they love you, you know, man. I take care of them and love you like home, you know. In fire too. In fire too. Oh, in quiet, go. What the donkey go?
Yes, my people.
Real life journey, watch it, you know.
Yeah, man. Talk about real life journey.
Real life
Survival. Some people about the time hard. So go on. Surrounded by bush.
Hundreds of vehicles for people. Hundreds of vehicles, lad.
Whoa. Together as one.
Back when I was a child.
You didn't talk about me people. For good, for worse, for better. I hate this. Together, we are rally together, you know?
You tired already, Odin?
Yes, you're about tired.
Back when I was a child, this would be like nothing. But now I'm like 50 times bigger. That's a man donkey, you see? A man donkey. And sometimes they want fight.
When you look who that back, my people. Bust that bus, you know? That bus like a wow. A whole journey we cover already, you know, my people. I mean, are you right now, say? We not half the journey yet. We still are going, my people, you know? My son will lead the donkey. But me I blow like a pig. Yeah, man. These are jackfruit. You see it? It's jackfruit. See it, my people? These are real jackfruits. And I want to tell you now, my people, are the nicest jackfruit dish. See one of them is growing on the bush? Yeah, man, them are the nicest. Soon ripe. The only thing we not go there to get none when you ripe, you know? Yeah, man.
Because you're just a visitor.
And this is a hut, guys. This is a hut in the bush. I remember you're far away from the village, so in order to get water, like if you're thirsty, this is how them do it. So you know, them bring a black drum in the bush and them set up a hut and them set a catchment so you can able to get some water, so you can water your plant like your cabbage, and also you can be able to get water to spray your crop, you know. Yeah, man. Also have some drum as well. You see it? And the hut, guys. As you can see, fireside. You know. And if you're there in a bush and rain and fall, you have your hut, you can shelter from the rain, my people, you know. Yeah, man, just welcome to the natural life. Yeah. Look over there, some people. Zoom it up, show now. See that clear out spot there? That is a ground. Four my people. Look up this to see me here. You know. The ground, you see how far I zoom it up, you know. Zoom it up back show now. You see how far that? Look. Somebody farmland that, guys. Cabbage bust up my people over. You see me? So you don't care feast. See it? You don't care tank up. See? Yeah, man, so finally my people reaching a farm. See? Far as you can look at cabbage, you know.
The road is right over there, son. The road you can't drive. Road you can't drive.
Man.
You plant over here, so boom.
So you read the cabbage.
When you just cut it and go over and put it in your pocket, now all the plastic bag. Nobody know you have in your pocket.
Alright, I'm sure now you read the cabbage you now. Do now close up look. You see it? See my people, welcome to the farming world. Life of a farmer. Holy powder if you taking a guys and a boy, you know.
This is
Look up
natural
deal.
life,
See it?
natural growth.
And look down deal. Just imagine you have a cabbage
People no filter, this is no filter, my people.
farm down this, so you have to go up deal up there with them people.
Million miles.
Natural life, guys.
And this you know and grow and know about. You see it? I just life kind of physically change up, but this still a natural thing, said you know. Hands and miles go plant the thing there. See like this, you know. The thing where you do farming like this.
Yeah man, nothing like farming. All park, you know. You know what hurt me hard to my people? When the man them plant them farm and you have people sit down and wait and the man them farm ready and them come steal it. You see it? That's why you have to come so far in the mountain, you know, in the jungle. Come hide your farm.
You hide it.
Can't hide it. We say man still find it.
Man, what you talk about, man?
We that my people here that say you can't hide it.
You tell one go here and sometimes you get over a month and you want to go, you can't go. And man, you think you play. And man still go for it.
Man still go for your cow in the woodland there.
You hungry and broke and can't no one sell you know.
Yeah, that my people.
And a man just call loose to sell it by night.
With nothing, get nothing can't care. Every day catching me sick, can't care about night. You can't care about.
0 ton big farmer, you know, my people.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Zero, I learn fast.
No, listen what I say now. You cut. Every time you make your last trip, brother, I'm not going on mountain. And that's a donkey now, I'm about 4 trips. If you make 4 trips, you have to go in there.
Oh, that's clean.
So like all this, you know, when you worm it, you see back of worming.
I don't just sitting about underneath it. I have this cut and this. I want that good man. One I bought this one.
I eat him up.
Oh. You know, say bad man, then that no can't kill him. Can't kill a cow in a man.
See it? You have to learn to do everything, you know. I remember say fishing and farming too, you know, my people. So,
100.
you know, say farming, you can divert.
Synchronize. Multitask.
So you cut, you have to clean it up, you know.
Your bingo.
Huh?
If you ain't cheap, your bingo.
Yeah, say man, bingo man, what time you plant your way, I don't get no.
Wow.
And I first one about beer so.
Them big man. They're huge.
I just see where I'm going to get one of them. Jaja.
Yeah, but guess what?
I have to treat them saying, man. I have to treat them.
If I worm this time, we cut 5 bags since we come at
Yeah, man.
But this
Clean
is
and pretty.
obviously this is the best kind of cabbage, you know, because you can see say you know too chemical.
Always spray cabbage, man. Yeah, man, I want to spray, man. Fuck this. I have to get worm in night, man. Especially until you start cut.
But then you still live on one cabbage.
But I don't know about it, you know, see?
No, the user and cut his stem and you get a better peel, a faster peel. And pull it from the bottom.
That boss.
pull up a big bus and go through the donkey. I think go a month and come over here.
If you out the road and run it, let me out and go down the road and go from here and from go from here, boy.
The road they know easy to go off and come in. We just call it for you. Want the money for put off in there. And if somebody put off in there, you can get the level of it.
That be a house up here. No wood. I'm gonna.
Why are so?
No. As vegetable for Sunday for your dinner. Because when you go to market and you buy 1 pound of cabbage, you want to tell you all $4.50 for 1 pound of cabbage.
How much a pound you sell it for? Last time we come here, $5 a pound, you know.
One time, $35, no what all.
Yeah.
So yesterday one man I give me $25, I'm telling you, look, I'm not right and now. When I know I say go back to your thing, I'll move back to land and go work back to land. You tell me, I must think I joke me. Then I look at
How far you have to come to plant it, reap it, bring it out.
That's a top price. 25, yeah. Yeah. They do $15 everybody sell out for now. 9 miles, prickle pole. Every farmer where you see, I cut cabbage now and sell it on his spot. $15.
you know, I'll not feel.
That's way.
I just we are getting this offer than all.
Eh?
If you are giving away, I'm not telling you pussy. I'm telling you to rot.
Yes, you don't have me down.
Everybody has sell it for.
I'm so telling lie down and sleep.
This is my boy, steam it, cut down pieces, sell and care, man. You see? $15.
You have one.
Look how long are they in this so about 1 cabbage. When you can't break it off, you need a knife. You're so helpful and willing.
There's some cartoon one time.
Can't regret that, say go.
There's some cartoon one time. That's a big bucket of
One time when cabbage make you get young, you are told, you know, you have to
Let her kill her.
cabbage money
You know, and Mr. Saying, the thing I is that.
I will live like that the next day. Me see cabbage money.
But look how he hold it on his belly, on his clothes.
you know, you say,
Guys, sticks catch me.
You go to my place and see me lie down on me.
They get sticks washed.
it's not, you know, man, it's not poison.
You get the load.
Turn off.
When I go down. When I see you want to sleep, I'm going to be down for the time. What do I say?
Sun hot. We are sheltered the cabbage leaf.
Yes, the peeps. When sun out all the day, they sketch to a cabbage leaf. They don't know out in a desert, in a wild, miles and miles.
Yeah, good question.
You can't drink whenever you water. I feel good. Everybody can't drink water.
And if Randy them come on and them have to carry water.
How we can't drink the clean water?
This a bus. This a bus. So,
I pick no more yet.
natural, you know? Fresh from the farm. I don't care what the load and put your road there. You never go back and it gone. Not nice. Yeah. I want bag of cabbage to go sell. You know Joshua that do a better job. From here they cut cabbage, you don't cut one baguette.
Yeah man, me like how you clean them up. Only thing you see piece, no cut it, just take off the leaf. Then another piece no cut out the side, none at all. Just roll off the leaf.
Roll it, no matter how.
The beer there.
Go on, don't pet it.
Go there.
We shall reach it.
Watch it, Kwan. Watch it, Kwan.
Go on, move, you're too brave.
The donkey, no man. You move like you know everything.
And he barely even left run away, beer.
Yeah, come, Kwan.
Kwan, stay.
Come, Kwan, come.
You want to come back.
Yam for the fire, my people. Yam for roast. You reach now for man and farm, you have to eat roast yam. You see it?
Look right there, you see it.
See it? Fire.
Don't make sure you get it off, you know, brother.
That ain't nothing for eat off, man. Me alone eat off, man.
Because of property.
You don't know about this guy. They have the hell of them said here. Far in a 9 mile or something. Yeah, my peeps, so they are, see me, they are 9 mile, see me. They are with the hell of them up in the hills, see me. Them do their farming, see me. Like back in the days of our land.
But the one thing around here, my people, ticks.
Ticks. You know, say, all them say ticks do my people, you know, ticks catch him ball, no cricket no catch me. You want never throw me favor them. You know? But I say I go still, you see me? Not ticks, man. All about, man, the dog, my ball, all no catch you, you see me? Man, the ticks are going to see me like ticks, bro.
Daddy no make fun, make me left. Oh, daddy no make fun. Daddy no get no use out of him one boy. Daddy go away the boy.
Come up, my one son. Come up, my one son.
Oi, no do that, I will go far.
That's my boy ride donkey.
No, you no get no use like how you that keep fun. You that if daddy have fun now. You that scam that put it in.
Yeah, man, I second trip this to my people.
I want me to come back from
They're on the second trip you know. So supposed to make 3 trip for the day, you know.
Turn up!
Turn up, turn up. Turn up, Ken, turn up, Ken.
Put it back on the side. Yes, good. Hold on. I'll put it back on the side. Alright. Rock down here, back. Rock it down. Are you figure down? It's a rocky down, rocky. Take over.
Yeah, man. Set up a load upon the donkey, you know.
That man look better. 40 I'm not in know. Scoop. How you mean? Okay. Fucking donkey have it upon the cabbage.
Yeah, man.
Cabbage got you have the bottom of them.
Walk out the cabbage walk, me people, I'm gonna see what I go on. Go up the hill, you know. Go on.
Beg him say do not kill him. And people call the man and they go thief to sell the same man. You know?
Come in.
Hold on, Donald. Don't take your don't. Hold on.
Where next one? Can't donkey come in next one. And there's in Charles with this.
Take your one. Are you good? Oh, good. I took up for them to put their back in. Oh, you come up with someone. Same cut one. You don't have to mash it if you can. Up.
You love nobody walking for him.
Take a bag you want to lift up.
That bag not standing.
Do the bag with the bag.
Go on. Help me that bag. Tap it donkey, tap it donkey.
Take your bag no man.
Yes, the people. We done see there, guys. We're on zero. First time. Out in the
farm.
You see it? Reaping cabbage. You see me? So you know how we get full little portion to, you know, my people. Remember, we are fishermen, you know. Get full little portion. What do I go on? Yeah man, zero help up film little portion. You see it? One bag of cabbage. I journey.
One bag, man. No one bag.
Only what can manage the journey if you go to there. You see it? You see me? And this is my portion now, you see me? My portion of cabbage. That's it. You know, see we again. Without on the main, so I help up and now and just head out. Elder gone up deal. You see me? The elder go to him bike. The bike, you know. You have a bike up on top of the hill. Eh? But true, we have a donkey, we have to take this road. So, you know, up elder. You see it. Yeah man, one bag of cabbage. You can come and ground and not carry one food. You're crazy.
I'm never doing this again. Gone were the days.
Pressure, pressure, pressure. Soup, soup. See it? Food we want comes with pressure. But we not let them, you know. Let's say zero.
No, we can't do that.
One bag of cabbage.
That's how we survive. If I have it alone, we can't go and go eat.
A 2 bag of donkey a car.
So I make man can't carry one.
Some must can carry one, my people, not true.
You're too determined, yeah, man.
You know, say donkey have to join gear.
No, but when I give him back in there, so to go ahead. You find the one
You
good.
shall up on him. What if I depend on good?
This?
All the people do nothing in your belly and you drink that. King come over. Yeah, you know something?
What name, Daddy?
Madam Tate.
Madam Tate. Alright. As we reach back in a civilization.
Yeah, move,
Oh
man.
my God.
Yeah, move.
Go on, where you go?
Go on.
Where you go?
Stop.
Stop off a boy.
Holy Moses. Back to civilization.
Wow.
Guys, when the people in my market are selling them things them for the money,
You have to pay for it.
don't ball on the
It's not
price.
easy, you know, people. The farmer them go so far. Because they have to farm with the land there, you know? Yeah, man. So you have to pay the price, see it.
Look at my legs. Dirty. Look for me, baby boy. Go on. You ever do this in your life? You forgot to share this shirt and I go can wash. Red dirt. Guys, I'm carry down the load them from off of that hilltop there. Because the donkey won't be able to come down the hill with it. So I'm carry them and put them here. So. Good job. Yeah, go back up there.
One more left. One more bag left.
Guys, I'm born my father do this. And I am over 30. My father still do this. Oh my God.
This is how it's done.
Well, them zero. Think of choppings. How much for one of them weigh daddy? About how much?
110.
You have only for 120 pounds here. First to everything.
One more.
I was there, I 16 of them to take off out the way there.
From what you road that I come.
What is going on your boy?
Lord have
I like baby to blood clot. And I drove right in the pan. Everything. You can't got over right now to ride to go on the bike. Carry on this.
Hold it.
Huh?
After a day, I'm tired of see.
See who worked the hardest there.
Oh, Kwan. Yeah, man, I ride a donkey, man. Man, the dog love a donkey style.
I don't bother ride the donkey with people. I make him ride the donkey for me.